Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to learn is color wheel for eyes, hair and skin. This is for the month of December. Write a topic create a table like this. Here you should divide into 4. Then only top of the row you should divide into 2. Same table you should repeat for hair and skin tones. And now we'll go for the eyes. See, here I am going to show when you are coloring for the caricature the eye colors, how you can able to see. This was the sample, a color wheel chart. You can use it. So now I am using blue, and brown. Mix the color blue and brown. So completely brown color. Next eye color is yellow plus blue. So here you can able to see the yellow and green shade. Just see and observe how it's going to be blend, because already we learned a color wheel. Here the color wheel we are learning for eyes, hair and skin tones. So here I am using a plain brown. Completely black. Completely yellow. We are going to use a brown. Brown and black. Skin tones, I am using pink, and yellow. So here we are not blending, we are applying completely. The next tone is yellow. and brown. Blue and brown. Brown and orange. So these are color wheel we learn for eyes, air and skin tone. The second topic is distance, anchor and pivot points. So here what actually we are learning for the caricature, we have a two principle. Okay, we'll see further what are the principle, but majorly when we are drawing the eyes of a human, comparing to one character to other character, we have differentiation with the shapes. Okay, so just read out this. So here you can see the differentiation in the eyes. The another example. So the first principle, always the anchor will not move wherever it's required, and then distance will be planned where anchor should be, where pivot points should be, how much distance should be there in the caricature. The further features we'll see later, but to draw a caricature, a main thing is anchor and a pivot points. This was the two principle. It's a very major we should use for the caricature. So here it's a one example I'm giving. Always anchor point will be in one place. Only pivots points will be moved. However, as per it's required for the eyes, face, nose or whatever it may be. The other features we'll learn in the next session. But here we are learning only the uses of anchor and pivot points. Anchor location is also very important. So these were some examples how pivot points will give a very good expressions and how it looks so sad or it's so tired. Here one example for anchors and pivot points, how you should place in the proper point. Majorly these anchor points and points will use for all the parts of faces. And the second thing is you can see the examples. So this was a model I am giving to you. This is a first model. Don't go for coloring and all. Only basic outline is required. And this is how it should look. So this was our second model. It's your choice whether you are doing a first model or a second model. Make it very easy and simple. So this is how it's look finally. I want